We can see it goes with 25 pieces. It goes with the 25 printouts per minute. And here is a faster look. The other hidden features, you just press this small icon here, and for menu you press the other icon. You press that icon, will give you the menu. For the counterpart, we have the counterpart there. Then it has not finished refreshing up or the opening up. We come this side, you see there's two, the upper one and the lower one. The first upper one, it is for the duplex, the other one is for duplex. You can see the other side. We open up. This is the inner, this is the fuser unit, this is the other tray, that the lower tray, the center tray, and the first tray, the transfer belt signed, the duplex signed. You can see the whole setup. The machine is okay. So this is the machine is okay, and this is the best machine that is in the market. I suggest that we use or we buy this machine for perfect work. We can see the other the scanners. We can test the scanner. So the scanner is it's good. So the scanner is perfect. So our machine is very okay. C258, it is recommendable for everyone who want to use it. If you own a cyber, then just consider using the Konica C258.